Did you know that when you travel to Europe, you are expected to do a lot of walking? And when I say a lot, it's a lot. We're talking about maybe 10,000 to 20,000 steps in a day. In fact, recently we went to Europe, did a lot of walking for the train station, and then you have to change different lines in the train station. It's just up and down, escalators, then bus rides, and then walk again, going to the destination. It's just a lot of walking. So for your travel to Europe, it's really important to have a very good footwear. Great shoes with a lot of cushion and support. And aside from a very good shoes, you should have a matching, supportive and comfortable socks. And speaking of socks, my all-time favorite is definitely Newzill compression socks. I have personally tried and tested this out for long drives, flights, both in the US and now here in Europe. I really like that it's made of high quality material. It's got great moisture absorption, especially now that it's summer. My feet still feel dry and fresh despite the long hours of walking. And it has extra cushion on its sole and the heel to absorb the impact and prevent blisters. And I didn't have any blisters at all. It also has a gradient compression that promotes blood circulation, relieving foot fatigue, and also limiting swelling caused by, prolonged walking and standing. Newzill socks are just amazing.